Welcome back to Best Car Garage, your go-to spot for honest car reviews and deep dives into the latest rides on the road. If you love exploring new vehicles, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're taking a close look at the impressive 2025 Ram Motorhome, a vehicle that blends power, comfort, and practicality into one exciting package. Right off the bat, the 2025 Ram Motorhome stands out with its bold and rugged design. Built on Ram's trusted heavy-duty platform, it carries that signature muscular front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a commanding road presence. But what really sets it apart is how seamlessly it transitions from a tough truck exterior into a fully functional motorhome. The body is aerodynamically refined compared to previous models, which not only enhances fuel efficiency but also gives it a modern, premium look that appeals to both adventure seekers and families. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice how thoughtfully designed the interior is. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a home on wheels. The cabin offers a spacious living area with high-quality materials, soft-touch finishes, and smart storage solutions. You get a fully equipped kitchenette, a compact yet comfortable sleeping area, and even a well-designed bathroom setup depending on the trim. The infotainment system is powered by a large touchscreen with smartphone connectivity, navigation, and voice controls, making long journeys more enjoyable and convenient. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Ram Motorhome doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, it typically features a powerful V8 engine option, delivering strong torque and reliable towing capability. This is especially important if you're planning to haul additional gear or even a small trailer. The ride quality is surprisingly smooth for a vehicle of this size, thanks to upgraded suspension tuning and improved chassis stability. Whether you're cruising on highways or navigating winding roads, it feels controlled and confident. One of the biggest strengths of this motorhome is its versatility. It's designed for both short weekend getaways and long cross-country adventures. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring add an extra layer of safety, which is crucial for larger vehicles like this. Fuel efficiency has also seen improvements compared to earlier models, making it more economical for extended travel. Another unique selling point is its customization options. Buyers can choose from different layouts and interior configurations, allowing them to tailor the space according to their needs. Whether you prioritize extra sleeping space, more storage, or a larger lounge area, there's a setup that fits your lifestyle. Plus, the integration of solar panel options and upgraded battery systems makes it more eco-friendly and off-grid capable. Overall, the 2025 Ram Motorhome is a fantastic blend of strength, comfort, and innovation. It's perfect for anyone looking to combine the reliability of a Ram truck with the freedom of a motorhome lifestyle. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Best Car Garage for more amazing automotive content.